Good evening, friends. This evening, I would like to share a short message and a very powerful story that show how deep God's mercy can reach, even in the most broken life. This story comes from a song many of us know. That is, "Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound." Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. I believe most of you have heard it or maybe sung it. But did you know that this song is based on a true story? Yes, it is not just a beautiful melody, it is a real story of the man who wrote it, that is John Newton. John Newton was born in 1725 in England. His mother was a kind Christian woman, but sadly, she died when he was 7 years old. After that, he grew up without much guidance, and as a result, he made many wrong choices. As a teenager, he began working on a ship. Later, he joined the British Navy, but he did not like it. He was rude, rebellious, or resist an agreement. He even tried to escape from the navy, but he was catched. As a punishment, he was publicly whipped and treated harshly in front of other sailors. He felt broken and hopeless at that time. After leaving the navy, he joined slave ship. This ship went to Africa to capture people by force and sold them a slavery, as a slave into other country. John Newton worked as a slave trader, and stay in that terrible business for years. During that time, he did not think much about God or what was right. But one day, during a trip at sea, a terrible storm hit the ship. This ship was about to skin or to go down below the surface. John Newton was terrified at that time. In this desperation, he cried out to God for help. The storm calmed and the ship was safe. That moment marked the beginning of a change in his heart. His transformation was not instant, or I may say he did not change all at once, but step by step. He left the slave trade, started reading the Bible, and gave his life to Jesus. Yes, later he became a Christian pastor and shared the words of God and forgiveness with many people. He wrote the hymn or the song, "Amazing Grace," to tell the world how God saved someone as lost as he had been. The word that saved a wretch like me were deeply his personal. They describe his own life. They describe his own life. A man who once caused great pain, but was still forgiven. My dear brother and sister, that line is not just a beautiful phrase. It is a testimony of the transformation. John Newton's life teaches us that no sin is too great for God's grace, and no past is beyond his redemption. He was one of the slave trader, But later he stood against slavery and preached the gospel. That's the power of grace. This hymn reminds us of four beautiful truths. God does not save us because we are perfect, He saves us because He loves us. Even the most broken heart can be healed. Even the most broken heart can be healed. Grace is not end, it is a gift freely given. True repentance can lead to a completely new life. John Newton's story proved this. Your darkness moment doesn't define your whole story. Even when you feel lost or ashamed, hope and forgiveness are still available to you. May God bless us all. Thank you.